Redmi K30 Pro is the new Poco F2. I really didn't want to disappoint you guys. Even I don't want to believe in this, but this just might be the case. So the official Twitter handle of Poco has announced that after 256 days of waiting, they can finally say Poco is back. Very good. But unlike the Poco F1, is it gonna be an original phone or is it gonna be a rebranded version of K30 Pro? The answer is very likely. Multiple sources have been claiming that the Poco F2 will be a rebranded version of the K30 Pro, which in fact was released in China months ago. Now that isn't necessarily the worst thing to happen considering the K30 Pro is an awesome phone itself. It's got the latest and greatest Snapdragon 865, a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, and a massive battery with 33 watt of fast charging. But Poco as a brand created a different sort of impression for its first generation. And one of the base of that impression was Poco F1 was an original phone from Poco. Now if Poco just renames the K30 Pro and put a Poco launcher inside it, that's gonna be really heartbreaking for a lot of people. According to the current specification on GSM Arena, you can literally see no difference between these two phones. So what's likely to be new in the Poco F2? The design? Don't think so. Have a look at this official image from Poco. The position of the camera and the flash is exactly a copy of K30 Pro. So what else? Software? It is gonna be a bit different from the usual MIUI, after all it's a Poco phone. But in MIUI 12, the Poco launcher has also been added in the regular MIUI as well. So the UI on these two phones might also be the same. New cameras? I don't think so. But what I am very optimistic about is the display. K30 Pro was rocked solid with a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen. But the refresh rate was good old 60Hz, which cannot stand a chance with the current phones nowadays. So I think we might get to see higher refresh rate in the Poco F2, at least a 90Hz of refresh rate, if not the juicy 120Hz. So what else the Poco F2 might offer over the K30 Pro? My guess is nothing. Except only one thing that Poco can still surprise us is the price. Yes, that's all is left to Poco now. The K30 Pro is currently priced at $410 US or 3200 Indian rupees. Now can the Poco F2 be cheaper than this? I don't think so, because a Snapdragon 865 phone can't possibly go below the $400 mark. And if the Poco F2 comes with 5G inside it, the price will be much higher. According to an article at Android Authority, the price of Poco F2 might just start from 650 euros, which is $700 in international market. Now, does that sound like a Poco phone price? Not even in my wildest dreams. Let's just consider if the Poco F2 is priced like that, the rivals will be directly OnePlus 8 or the iPhone 11. And other flagship phones or ex-flagship phones from Samsung and other big companies will also join the battle. So what do you think, guys? Will Poco be able to amaze us once again like they did with the Poco F1, or the legendary run is just gonna end? Let's cry about that in the comment section. And that's it for today. And if you liked my video, please hit the subscribe button. And thanks a lot for watching. Asha kori abaro dekha hobe.